Hi everybody out there. My name is Crispina French and today I'm in my very sunny, beautiful public library in Lennox, Massachusetts, which if you're ever in the Berkshires and you need to visit a library, I recommend the Lennox Library. It's a beautiful historic building, and I'm going to talk a little quietly because there's people around me working. So my name again is Crispina French. I am a lifelong environmentalist and textile artist. And I am launching, do you like my tattoo? I need to get it redone, but hello. Um, anyway, I am the self-proclaimed captain of the Planetary Rescue Squad. And this coming week, beginning, I'm hoping tomorrow, we are going to do a gift guide for all of your gift giving ideas for the holidays that are kind of more environmentally minded without losing track of the season of joy and participating fully in all of the kind of family connections and friend connections that we share this time of year, taking all the good stuff from that and throwing in some really good stuff for the environment. So really trying to keep the excess consumption of, extra spending and also plastic. Let's try to keep plastic to a minimum this holiday. Of course, that's much easier for some than others, especially if you have little kids. Hi, Barbara. Barbara's tuning in with me today. So I'm trying a new thing today with Instagram. I'm going to try putting this video on Instagram TV. The Instagram lives that I was doing the last few days seem to be getting lost in the shuffle. I can't save them or put them on my feed. So I'm hoping that today we can make that work with this format. So if you guys have businesses or you have friends who have businesses that would be interested in being featured in my gift guide, please drop me a note. Peggy Wilson. Peggy, you are one of my favorite people. And I know you have a lot of friends who have awesome businesses. So let's get them featured on the gift guide. And get this rocking. So today's just a little short episode to let you know about the gift guide coming up and to go back over a few of the ideas that we shared this last week. This is day number 9 of my 30-day challenge. So buying recycled items, looking for those through the typical kind of thrift store chain, but also considering businesses that sell previously owned items, whether they're antique stores, vintage clothing stores, or just emporiums of all kinds of interesting, cool things. There's a bunch of things like that. I know there's one in the middle of Millerton, New York, if you're in the tri-state area near me. And we talked about a couple of my friends who run stores that fit that bill. So that's one thing. We also talked about buying handmade products this time of year for gift giving to support your local hand makers, and also to just really give a nod to our heritage. You know, people who use their hands to make product to sell are doing something that's becoming more and more unusual, I think, in our culture, where their crafts could be thousands of years old, and it's just a really great thing to be able to promote them and also support them with our purchases. So I know my dad was a potter, and pottery is really thousands of years old, and I also make and sell recycled textile products, blankets, sweaters, rugs. They're all in my shop on my website, which you can visit if you'd like to. It's crispina.com, and we have a giant shop upload happening on Monday morning at 8 o'clock. So if you don't see that perfect product for you there now, come back on Monday. And then also thinking about if you're having, your recycled, your handmade, and not to toot my own horn too much, but I make handmade recycled products. So that's a cool combination of characteristics. And also think about things that are maybe non-tangible, things like supporting foundations or not-for-profit organizations that speak to the recipient you have in mind in some way. And then also I'm just going to throw out there that it's a nice thing to think about giving gifts that are for an experience, like My sister and I share that every year. We try to find a different family experience that we can all kind of share in. And we went to Ramble Wild, which is this amazing ropes course not too far from where we are. So that has been a really nice family tradition for us. Although, you know, we always try to change it up a little bit and see if we can find new and adventurous ways to spend time together that makes memories as well. So think about those things and then tune back in tomorrow at 11 when we will start our gift guide. Thanks so much. Have a great day. And who else is over there? I see Barbara Walker. Hi, Barbara Walker. I wish I could see you in person. I miss you, and it was so nice to get your messages lately. So I hope everybody's doing well and have a really beautiful, sunny Saturday. And I'll see you tomorrow at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time right here. Thanks.